still. It's drying. Images, go get components and children. It's getting the image one. It's just to do with how the prefabs are. So we are just gonna get a simple look at this. I guess we'll just do side 0 and just put like sumner. Doesn't really matter. The fact is, it opens this up and it gets in children. Though somehow it's changing this one. Yeah. It shouldn't be doing it. Should be getting in children, getting the portrait. Because it is doing stupidly things. Let's do image 1. And that should fix things. Then after that, there's a slight problem. Character spy hold is not working. Oh, it's a spy. And then you go image component is equal to dot sprite is equal to character dot portrait. Could just have a prefab like a public void start setup. And then here we can just say skin dot setup. That should set up everything. How about we do at least some naming? So when we're spawning champ select player, what we're going to do... Oh, I see. We do have their username, right? Because when you join... Oh yeah, here we go. We connect to that. Can we add an argument that says, give me your username? No, you can't. I know we can maybe do a wait for RPC. Oh, then we could get a username of that player. Maybe. So what we'll do is we'll do a mview to RPC of get username. Target is going to be network. Is going to be player. Oh, I see. No, well, we don't want that because we want to apply. I just can't remember. I think of how we want to do this. Because when you join, we get your server name. So essentially what we want to do is that when you click join, it will then send your... It then connects you to the server. With the password, with everything. So what we actually want to be able to do is that when you connect to the server, you send a message to the server and you say, hey, this is my password. We could do that. And they do have my player spot. So can we go to that specific spot and just do this? Because if we look at this, well, we don't actually have their specific name. The summoner name. Oh, I see. We don't actually want the character name. This is got to be a character name. This is not going to be a character name. This is going to be the player name. So we have another RPC, and we say void receive username. We're going to require a string of the username, and we're going to require a spot. So just an integer of your spot. I believe is it integer, yeah. So then we're just going to go bing bing bing, and then the image 0. We don't need images, we just need text. I'm just going to say is equal to username. There we go. Easy as pie. Yeah, why not? And then I can't remember the name for this. Will Unity tell me? We'll have to have a look. It will be under RP or network. Because there's a few functions I want. Yes. Void on connected server. We're just going to copy and paste this. There we go. Void on connected to. I said we're going to copy and paste this, but then I don't, so that's stupid. Mview view. What? Oh, really? It once it's spelled properly. The RPC of receive username server, and we're just gonna give it our username, and our arguments are just going to be, that is our argument. Oh, and our spot is gonna be my player spot, and then it should do everything. Build run. Ooh. What's wrong? Build sayings, build. It should be fine. Unless I've had a problem. Okay, it's probably because it's in the same folder, it's not liking that. Let's just fix that. Oh, because we got it open. You gotta make sure you close down your things or it just doesn't like it, because it's going, yeah, it's already open, we can't touch it, and then you're going, yes you can, and it's going, no we can't. It's a bunch of fighting. Host. No, we actually gotta say username. And that does. Ooh. We found another error. Yay. When you're launching server, of username or play username and my play spot. And that should do stuff. Unless because we've initialized server, does that count as you connecting to the server? Because it may not, but it must. I may not need this. Yeah, you will. So you may as well run this, and then we can open scenes, login, save. Move this over here. We'll just say cow, pig, host, join. I did it twice. That's awfully weird. Oh. My fault. Again, another stupid mistake. Build one. See if it fixes this time. It's going, that's really weird. That's because I'm stupid. Scenes, login. I make all these errors all the time. This happens. There's nothing much that you can do. There we go. There's English. Host, join. Ooh. Moo worked. Cow didn't. Ooh, this is difficult. Because it initializes the server, but it doesn't actually run the check. Because every time it runs... Oh, I see. Once champion select. Oh, that's all run every time someone joins. Is that a bug? Okay, we gotta check this out before it's a error. So we'll build and run. And we'll build and run. If it will allow me. No, I won't. Okay, well, I'll just open up another one. There we go. Okay, doing that broke it. So we'll build one more time and then we'll run the networking example. Wondering how this works with multiple. Remember, this doesn't count, so we host, we join, we say J or K. See, add to everyone again. That's a mistake. Damn it, I am pretty stupid here. So on player connected, the server gets this, and it gets the player, so it runs to run the champion select for that player. You can see boolean side. Okay. I can't even remember what says green and what says not. I think this is the left side and this is right side. That seems right. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask for a... We even need a network player, do we? What's turn object on off? Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. So we're sending that on. That's fine. That's fine. Can send that to. We send it to the new player. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So whenever a new person joins the game, we send this to a new player. So what they do is this new player gets this sent. It's an RPC. We don't want to check if you're a server. We just want to turn object on and off, and we want to say true. And then we're going to go through each ID count and we're going to spawn them. The exact same way. This turns of champ select anyway. There's no point of having that there. Guys, and then we just do that, I guess. And do the same here. There's nothing else to it really. Make this an RPC. Put it in the RPC section. Save it. Go up here on play connect. Nview.rpc of what's it called? Champion select. Dot. I will say player. And is there any arguments? No. And then when we make the server, we do champion select, and oh, but when there's a new player, everyone else needs to see that new player. That's a problem. Not really. We have to add a new blank player. Then we... It's not too bad actually. Then afterwards, it sends to everyone else nview.rpc same one here. Oh yeah. True. And false. This is a bit over, so we're probably just gonna keep recording and then we'll cut this up. So as it's been, wow, it's gonna be 8 episodes and then we're not even gonna finish. Sorry about that. That's it's a lot more work than I originally thought, and I was kind of playing around with the system a little bit. Well, think about it. I've been doing networking for ages, and we had to build a login screen, which took like 2 episodes. Get everything going. There's a lot of art to get going. That was like probably half the series. Sorry about that. It's just what happens. I'll try next time to maybe build one of these systems before and just kind of copy off it. If I knew it was this big, I would have done that. Sorry about having zero English speaking ability. Just need to. If true, if green, red. Else. Oh, we do require an ID, an int ID, an int variable. I don't know. Oh, spot to place, and then we're just gonna say II, and then this is gonna be ID and spot to place. And this will not play on you, I believe. Others, so not all, others buffered, so everyone else but you. Actually, technically you do all. Oh, but you only want to do you. Ooh, that's gonna be nasty. Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh. If id.count. Okay, if I is equal to id.count. Well, that's why I is less. I could count -1. Then do the sign. I don't actually need the brackets here, and so you may be confused why I don't. It just comes down to the fact that you don't need the brackets since it will just calculate the next lines. But if I had 2 lines, I would need the bracket. Species mode. Dot others buffered. False. Pretty nifty. And let's do that. There we go. So when you join the game, you run champion select, and then you will run get username, I guess. Receive username. And you should get your sport. Where do we choose your sport? Oh, down here, yes. So you should get your sport. Oh, will work? It should work perfectly now. Oh, my fault. There, perfect. It was just, you gotta change that back to a string. It was always meant to be a string. I just put a stupid bit there. 1, 2 of these, 1 new. 1 new. Oh, 1 new. Okay, so you can have A host. Yes. You can be B join. Damn it. Because champion select does not exist. Oh. We knew that was going to happen. I'm always going to make a typo. It's just, you just have to accept it. It's when you're writing so much code late at night, which is what I do a lot, you're going to make mistakes. So my best tip for the people who are writing code late at night, just accept you're going to make mistakes and just make sure that you're just running through things a lot. Just do a lot of testing, because that means that you can get it done. So we'll host, A is there, good. We'll do B, join, we do not exist. And B miraculously replaced me. We're running champion select on that player. Oh, but we can't because she doesn't have all the IDs. I see. Should we give the player a copy of IDs? Or if we make it private, it'll be fine. We even need to make it private. We just need this as strings. So when we champion select, which is it here? Then we give an argument of ID. So then I'm probably gonna make a mistake by missing one of these. Let's have a look. These are all fun. Good. And then make sure I do it here. And this should fix it. It's a little bit of a roundabout way, but technically they don't actually ever get to keep a copy of the IDs, but just giving them a copy. Very temporary. And we're gonna make you the host, move you to across here. Do what we did before with A, host, B, join, oh yeah, we can't send strings. Oh, this is nasty. Ooh, this is bad. Because we're running the champion select on every single player since we could do that. That bad. So you connect into the server, and then we just want you to basically create all the players. We're just counting. Wait, all we care about is how many players. Oh, this is a problem. Ooh, this is a problem. Ooh, this is bad. Because what's happening here is we're checking if you're the player that starts off this, obviously. If you're the player that owns a spot, then we say that's your spot. Ooh. Ooh. Do we actually need to have this? Or do we have this what we had before? Where we run on every single one? And then we can just have a single check. If network.peer is equal to server, there we go. And view.rpc. There we go. And then under spawn select player we go if if go game object go. So we'll just start off with game object, we'll just say go is equal to game object dot find spot plus spot. So this if go is equal to null, and do this as there's no need. This actually works decently well. Oh, we'll buff it. Yeah. Yeah, inside there's one, but we're just going to move that because we don't need it anymore. So, when you launch your server, we're going to run champion selection. And then you're obviously going to count because we have your ID. And then we're going to save your username and do all that stuff. Whenever someone connects to the server, right, we're going to nview.rpc this. We're going to run champion select. See how this works.